Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. My name is Drusilla Shay, if you don't know already. And today we're going to be getting into the ApHogee 2-Step Hair Strengthening Kit. Now this is not to be mistaken with the ApHogee 2-Step Protein Treatment, okay? Because that's a whole different situation. And I actually did a review on that. And let's just say, whoo child, I needed it. I will go ahead and link that video down below so you guys can check it out. And I'll get more into that and also more into why I decided to try this kit instead this time around. But without further ado, let's just get right into it. So before we get into this hair strengthening kit, I just wanted to get into the ApHogee 2-Step Protein Treatment. Like I said, I already did a video on that, so I'm not about to go into all the details. You're just gonna have to watch the video for yourself. But just know that my hair was in really bad shape. I'm talking about coming out in clumps. It was just weak. It was just sad, okay? I was losing so much hair, and the 2-step protein treatment was just restorative, okay, in the best sense possible. But that situation called for that treatment. I just felt like where my hair was getting to currently, it didn't warrant that intense level of treatment. So I was kind of hoping for something that was like a little bit more subtle, but still like more intense than regular store-bought protein treatments, because I do use, like, you know, protein masks and stuff like that here and there. But I just felt like my hair was slowly getting back to that phase where it was getting like weaker. Now I wasn't losing like clumps of hair like before, but my hair was just super soft and losing definition and elasticity, and I wasn't here for it, okay? My curls weren't bouncing back, and I was just like,
oh no, I can spot this from a mile away. I already know what's up.
So I decided to try this ApHogee hair strengthening kit. Now this is a more simple kit. It doesn't require a hair dryer. We'll get to all the directions, but this is, you know, just something that is more easy. It takes less time. So I tried it out, and I'm going to walk you guys through how that whole experience went. So as you guys can see, or you probably can't really tell, my hair was definitely in need of some restoration. Like, it just was really soft, a little too soft, and it just felt weaker. And I know my hair, that's the thing, it's really important to be familiar with your hair so you can see when things change and notice when things change so you can do something about it. So I just realized, like, my hair is a little bit too soft. Some people say mushy, and it was just getting a little bit weaker. And I realized that when I was washing my hair, my curls weren't bouncing back as they should. So those are just like the signs to look out for. Now when it comes to this ApHogee strengthening kit, it is good for pretty much all hair types, right? It says straight, wavy, curly, and tightly coiled hair textures. It's not coming from me, all right? It's coming from ApHogee. This is also for fine limp hair. Now again, my hair was getting a little limp. She was struggling a little bit. And this is also good for chemically treated hair. So if you color your hair, you bleach your hair, you perm your hair, you relax your hair, and you straighten your hair, this is also something that's good to have, especially if you're doing any of those things to your hair. It's definitely good to keep up with, you know, strengthening your hair and doing what you need to do to just maintain healthy hair. So before applying my ApHogee products, I'm starting off with the Shay Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo, which is very moisturizing. Some people recommended that you use a moisturizing shampoo before the process because it can definitely leave your hair feeling dry after the first step of the process. So that's what I'm doing, and as you can see, after my first wash, my hair is definitely more limp and it is just not bouncing back. The elasticity is very low, almost non-existent, okay? I do not see my curls bouncing at all. It's fuzzy, it's puffy. So now it's time to apply this strengthening kit after my wash. The directions for this product is to dispense a small amount of product into the palm and work throughout clean towel dried hair. This is a very interesting consistency. It's more on the sticky and slimy side, and it also has a very interesting smell, I'm not gonna lie, okay? But then again, all the ApHogee products I've tried had a very interesting smell, so no surprise there. But the great thing about this is that it has such great slip, and that was something that I was concerned about with having to rake through my hair after shampoo is this going to be tedious? Is this going to be painful? Because I was not sure how much slip this product had, but it definitely has a lot. So I was very pleased because it made the process simpler, easier, and definitely pain-free. So I definitely appreciate that about it. Now, as I always do, I section my hair to apply products for the most part. So that's what I did. And then I twisted up each section, and I could already feel that my hair was getting harder, which it definitely warns you about, that the product will dry and thicken, bonding into areas of damage. So that was to be expected. And so all you have to do after you apply is to cover your hair with a plastic cap and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So 10 minutes it was. So on a random note, I see that you're still here, and that's wonderful. You're always welcome, but make sure that you go ahead and press that red subscribe button while you're at it. And also please go ahead and turn on that bell notification button so that anytime I post, you'll be up to date. Don't play hard to get. All right, let's get back into this video. So now that the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to take my hair out of the twist and rinse the product thoroughly with warm water as it instructs. And then afterward, we'll be moving on to step 2. Now, something I want to point out is at this stage, I am already seeing results, honey. Okay, like you can see the shrinkage in my hair, you can see the curls starting to come back. Okay, they made a return. Okay, Stella got her groove back, and I was so excited. Like, okay, I'm starting to see my curls pop again, which is definitely a great sign. So moving on to step 2 of the process, the directions are to apply the product evenly throughout your hair and leave on for a minute to allow penetration of moisturizers, vitamins, and botanical extracts. Now, the texture of step 2 is definitely much different than step 1. It's more of like a soft, smooth, lotiony kind of texture. And of course, you know, weird smell, all right? But it feels like a very, very lightweight moisturizer. So if you know your hair needs a little bit more moisture after this process is over, do not hesitate to add very moisturizing products, because that is what I had to do. So as I mentioned before, I'm sectioning off my hair to apply the products, and then when I'm done, I rinse it out, and voila, okay, my curls are definitely coming back more and more, and that is a very, very good sign, like I said before, because it was very, very limp before, and I was not seeing the definition. It was mushy, but now it is completely changing. So that is very, very exciting. So now that I am done actually applying these products and rinsing them out, I'm going to continue on with my regular hair care routine. I'm going to be applying the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and then I'm going to be giving my scalp a nice little massage, as I always do. This stimulates the scalp and that promotes hair growth, so we don't miss that step. Okay, we not over here, not in this household. Then I'm going to be applying the very moisturizing Curled Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. This is probably one of my favorite moisturizers, and then topping it off with some olive oil, which is also moisturizing. So I have applied all of my products, put my hair in twists, and so far so good. Now this says that it's technically supposed to last about 2 to 3 weeks, so this is definitely something you can apply to your hair more often than the 2-step protein treatment. This is the type of treatment where you don't have to wait so long in between each use. I mean, I wouldn't use this every week either, but I would definitely say, you know, you can use this probably once a month if you want to, or once every few months, whenever you feel like you need it. So when it comes to this treatment, so far so good. Okay, right now my hair is currently still in the twist that I have put it in, and it's sitting pretty right underneath this wig right now. So I'm definitely going to give you guys an update, but for right now, my hair for sure feels stronger. I felt my hair getting stronger the same way I did with the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment, so that's good. But I don't want to get excited too quick, because I do want to see how my hair is from about like a week from now. When it comes to ApHogee, I feel like they know what they're doing when it comes to strengthening hair, so I'm not really worried, but I am looking forward to seeing what the lasting results are. So I am going to place my update video here so that you guys can get a feel of how this really impacted my hair. Greetings, earthlings. I'm coming to you about a week later, okay? And my hair is flourishing, to say the least. We're talking texture restored. We're talking curls are back, okay? Definition is back. My hair is definitely feeling much stronger. I'm not feeling that mushy feeling anymore, which is great. I'm just pleased with what I'm seeing. My hair isn't shedding, and it's just what my hair needed. I feel like the 2-step protein treatment probably would have been a little too strong for where I was at, but this strengthening kit definitely fulfilled the needs of where my hair was at that point. And so I think that we're in great shape. Based off of these results, I would absolutely try it again, especially if I see that my hair is getting to that point where it's in need of like some protein, some strengthening. You see my curls, okay? They out here percolating. Look at that. They perky, they nice and bouncy. So I would definitely recommend this. Alrighty peeps, so I hope that this was a helpful video for you. If it was, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to leave your comments and questions down below. Let's make this a conversation. Have you ever used this ApHogee strengthening kit before, or the 2-step protein treatment? Let me know how you feel about it, how it's impacted your hair, and if you haven't used it, let me know if you even heard about it, if you're looking to use it in the future. Also, while you in that vicinity, you might as well go ahead and press that red subscribe button if you haven't already, because like maybe you forgot to do it earlier. So I'm gonna give y'all grace or whatever. And also turn on that bell notification button so that when I post next, you will be up to date. I appreciate you all. God bless you, and I will see you guys next Sunday in my next video. Deuces.